Monday morning always feels powerful. A fresh start, a clean page. You wake up with ambition in your chest and promises in your head. This week will be different. You'll wake up earlier, study harder, work out, build something meaningful. And for a moment, it feels real. But then Tuesday arrives. The alarm feels heavier. Your focus feels weaker. The motivation that felt so certain yesterday suddenly disappears. By Wednesday, the plan is gone, and you're left asking the same quiet question again. Why does this keep happening? The answer isn't laziness, it's design. Most people build their goals like castles made of motivation, and motivation is the most unreliable fuel on earth. It feels powerful in the moment, but it burns fast. Your brain is not built to chase effort every day. It is built to protect energy. Psychologists call this cognitive economy. The brain constantly searching for the easiest path, which means every morning, two versions of you wake up. The future you, who wants growth, discipline, and long-term success, and the present you, who wants comfort, quick rewards, and less resistance. And comfort is persuasive. That's why your best intentions quietly collapse by Tuesday. Not because your goals are wrong, but because your system is weak. Think of time like currency. Every day you wake up with 24 hours in your account. But here's the brutal truth most people ignore. If you don't decide where your time goes, the world will spend it for you. Notifications, scrolling, endless distractions designed by billion-dollar companies competing for your attention. And attention is the real battlefield of modern life. Your focus is your future. Every hour invested in learning, building, and improving compounds like interest. But every hour wasted disappears forever. No refunds, no resets. Life isn't a ladder where you climb one predictable step at a time. It's more like a jungle gym. Messy, sideways, unpredictable. The people who succeed are not the ones who wait for perfect motivation. They're the ones who build systems that carry them on. Days when motivation disappears. They reduce friction. They make the right action easier than the wrong one. They treat relationships like bank accounts, consistently depositing trust, support, and respect long before they need to make a withdrawal. And they design their environment carefully, because environment is stronger than willpower. A clean desk invites focus. A distracting phone invites escape. The smallest changes quietly shape the direction of your life. So, if your plans keep failing by Tuesday, don't blame your discipline. Redesign your system. Lower the barrier to starting. Protect your attention. It's your most valuable asset. Because in many ways, it is. Your life is not built in dramatic breakthroughs. It's built in quiet, repeated decisions most people never see. And the real difference between drifting and becoming is choosing every single day where your time goes.